trying to get them down.
Oh hey, this is Trav. Today we're going to be building cornhole boards. We've got some excellent helpers here to help us make it a success. So here's a cornhole board that's already built and been primed and is ready for paint. These guys are making one for their own yard and they're starting with raw materials. So just so you can see what we're shooting for, it's 2 foot by 4 foot, has a 6-inch hole right here, and so we need to cut 2 2x4s 48 inches long and then 3 that are 21 inches long to go as cross member supports. Then we'll be working on the feet a little later on, which fold up just like that. Sound good? Well, let's get started. Grandpa's going to show them how to do the legs on this cornhole board. We want to match the angle so those legs can lean back a little bit, gives it more stability. Very nice.
Now that's the angle you want to cut. In order to cut that, you loosen this and push this down, and then you rotate the saw. This spins as that spins. One time I put my knuckle on there and it was not good.
Yeah.
Get them lined up. There's a little twist in it, see?
Want to make that bit a little longer? Is that alright?
It's alright, we don't really want to drill much into that one.
Okay, come over here, young Josh.
Okay, so you're
Nana, go put a hole under that one. So you get 2 in each one.
when you mark something, you put a line. We don't know if it's center, left, or right. So put an X on the side you want the attachment, okay?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Drop a screw in there.
Got it lined up, Grandpa?
Go for it. Okay, next one.
Pretty good.
Pretty good, a little better, I think.
So the center is 9 inches, and the hole itself is 6 inches wide. So this is where we'll put our center.
Put her right there and draw you a circle, but be careful, you'll collapse this. It's just a cheapo, okay? Good. Just kind of spin it. Just let it spin freely. That's the way.
Make sure there's nothing underneath it, nothing of value, drill motors or children hiding. We've got the angle of the foot here cut, and we're going to match that with the plane surface. Run a 1/4 inch bit, drill it all the way through, and then we're going to take and run a carriage bolt through that hole now. We're going to put a 1/4 inch washer on there and then a wing nut. Then we can take and we can loosen the wing nut, fold the leg out, tighten up the wing nut, and you can see how the leg leans back here. That gives us a lot of strength when we're throwing cornhole bags.
Josh, make it! Josh, you have to make these!
Once you have your cornhole boards put together, just get some primer and paint them. It dries real fast. Then you're going to go ahead and put your gloss paint over the top of that. You can spray it on, brush it on, roll it, whatever you choose. Well, thanks for watching this episode. Hopefully it was helpful.
Oh, we bounced it on.
Feel free to like it and even subscribe if you so choose and want to see other episodes. And hope you're out there playing lots of cornhole with your family this summer and for years to come. So this is a great opportunity for Grandpa to spend some time teaching his grandsons.
If they can learn.